Hi YouTube, it's Laura from Tuxedo Planners. How are you guys doing today? Today I'm bringing you an unboxing of some of the Happy Mail that I got in yesterday that I wanted to share with you, and this is just a small portion of it. I will be expecting more in the mail later on this week that I'll be doing another unboxing for, but I wanted to show you guys this. The first thing I got was I purchased a new little Hobonichi Weeks. This one is in their cute little pink rabbit pattern, and it kind of feels like a necktie. It's that necktie pattern that they have, so it's like a fabric, and it's so flippin' cute. I love the little bunny. And when you open it up, it's got the cute little bunny art deco here, and of course it says Hobo inside, which is typical for this. And it tells you that it's the Hobonichi Techo, the weeks for starting in spring, and then it's just basically the same layout. So it starts in March for the monthlies, and it goes through, I believe, April of 2020 for the monthly views. Can you guys see that? And then for the weeklies, it actually starts, let's see if that's too bright. There you go. That's probably better for you guys right there, so you can see a little bit better. It starts in February, for the week of February 25th, as you can see. And typical hobo fashion, you have your two strings here, and one string I use to mark off my months, and one string I use to mark off my current week that I'm in. And then it goes through March of 2020, and from there you come into the notes page here. And then you have, of course, the note page are numbered. So I believe in here for this hobo you have, because this is not the Mega. The Mega has more note pages, but for here you have 73 note pages that you can use as well. What I've been using mine for is my YouTube content planning, and that's why I got another Hobonichi, because my other one I've turned into my YouTube channel book that I'm going to be updating my YouTube channel stuff in. So then you come into, of course, the Japanese exclusive pages, unless you can read Japanese. And this is measurements. How long is your fingers width, your arm length, your foot. That's what this is measuring. It's measuring length there. And it tells you, and you can measure it and write it down in centimeters if you so choose. So the rest of this is just some Japanese that they add to the back of the book, Japanese dishes, their favorite, like typical Japanese food dishes and things. And then I believe this is the, actually I'm not sure what this is, so we'll just not say what that is, because I don't know. And then in the back, of course, you have some contacts and for your personal information, and it tells you that this is a 2019 weeks for spring. And it gives you each Hobonichi Techo, whether it's the weeks, whether it's the cousin, whether it's the original Hobonichi. They all have a individual serial number for each book that they use. And of course you know that this is the Tomo River paper, which may have some ghosting of your inks, but it rarely, if any time, has any bleed throughs. I think I've seen one bleed through on a Tombow brush pen that it bled through, and that just depends on how much you write with it or how much ink you put on the page. But for the most part, this Tomo River paper is excellent for holding ink. Super thin. And then at the back you have the little bunny, and then it comes with this little bunny die cut there. It's cute. And then it also comes with a little adhesive pocket. Now I've already applied this, but of course you can put it anywhere, but it stands up on the edge like so. And this is really the way they're supposed to go. I think I saw someone put theirs lengthwise across the bottom. I generally just put mine the way it's supposed to go, but I just slipped my little bunny in there for that. And of course the back, it says the Hobonichi at the bottom for the branding. Now, I will give you a little hint on where to order these from that come quickly, but they still come from Japan. And but they don't cost as much, because I think I paid less than 30 bucks for this little guy. He's brand, as you can see, he's brand spanking new. I order my Hobonichis when I can, at least my weeks, from Amazon Japan. And Amazon Japan, I ordered this book on, I want to say maybe Tuesday, and I'm doing this video Friday morning, but it came Thursday evening. So 2 days ship time from Japan for this. The only thing that you have to do is that you have to make a Amazon Japan account that is different than your regular American Amazon account. So you have to make a Japanese account. And of course everything is in Japanese, but it does have a translator. So if you turn the translator on, which is a setting on the Amazon page, it'll pop up mainly in English. There'll be some Japanese, but you'll get the picture. And then of course everything is done in yen, which you can look at. What I did is I did a Google search on how much, like this was 27, I think this was 2,785 yen, which translates into about $27.85 is usually how their conversion rate goes for their yen to the dollar. So just a FYI for you guys, if you don't want to pay as much on American Amazon or JetPens or whatever, just get it from Amazon Japan. A lot cheaper, comes just super quick, 2 days, standard Amazon from there. So, okay, so there's that. I opened this, but I did not look at this. I opened this. I got a order from, let's see, I think this is from, I have to look. Oh, let me get my name out of there real quick for you. Okay. So let's get this open. And this is real quick. This is just a little Hobonichi Weeks kit that I bought, which I thought was pretty, with the florals and the little bows with the pink header, and it's just a one-page little kit, and I will link the shops down below that I got this in. And she sent a journaling card, and I love this little quote. It's from the movie and the book The Help. It says, "You is kind, you is smart, you is important." So I thought that was really sweet. So you'll be seeing a plan with me very shortly, probably actually within the next couple days, using this kit here that she sent. So love that. And like I said, I'll link this stuff down below. The next one I got is a Plannerkate. This is my first Plannerkate order that I have gotten, and I wanted to try her stickers because I'm seeing it's all over YouTube about her stickers. So I kind of wanted to get some kits from her, and see how it was, and if I like them, then I'll order more from her. So let me turn this and get the shipping label out. Okay, so let's take this stuff out. All right, so I guess this comes, I've seen on other YouTube videos that this is just her name. I think people said that you can use this on like a binder to where you store your stickers at. So I'm not sure if I'll do that, but there's her little binder thing. It comes with her card, her Plannerkate card, with her, I guess, Instagram and Facebook account. Then it comes with 5 little freebies. You get some boxes here. Looks like half the boxes there. You get some, let's see if I can turn that up some. There we go. You get some little some dots. You get some weather icons, which is awesome. I'll use this in my Hobonichi Weeks because, as everybody knows, I do track the weather in that. Then you get some cute little script records. What am I talking about? Script. And how cute is this? It says, "I can't read. I'm booked. I'd rather be reading. So many books, so little time. A book a day keeps the reality away. When one book closes, another one opens. I read past my bedtime." I do that. I actually watch YouTube past my bedtime. I had another 2 o'clock morning last night. And then you get some of her labels. I think these are her appointment labels there. So I got a couple of Hobonichi kits, and I'll show you the first one. This is kit 132AB, and I think this is for her May release there. Can you see that? For her May release. So you get a strip, you get another strip of boxes, which I love the strips. You get some little tiny quarter boxes there, some washi strips, some thin washi strip, and some little check marks there. So that's really cute. So I'll be doing a thing with that. And I got the blueberry kit. And I absolutely love this kit because we're coming into blueberry season very shortly here in western North Carolina, and blueberries in my neck of the woods is a lot. They grow wild here. We just go out and we have a place up on the Blue Ridge Parkway that we go to called Graveyard Fields. And every year, I think towards the mid to late July, all the fields are full of blueberry bushes, and people, just tons of people go out there and they pick blueberries, and you can eat your fill, and there's bears out there, so best be careful about the bears because they love blueberries, bears. Anyway, so that's beside the point. So I got the blueberry kit, and it's the same layout. It has the washi strips, the days, the strip there. This is kit 150AB there. So that's really pretty. I look forward to using this one. I love that. The next kit I got was a kit 145A, which is a strawberry kit. It's a sampler, and this is for my Erin Condren, and I'm anxious to see how this is going to work because it is a sampler. It has minimal things, but I think this is going to be enough for me because when I'm learning as I get further into planning with you guys and watching videos, I'm learning that I don't use a lot of the things that come with your standard planner kits. So I do like the fact that Plannerkate does allow you to add on and buy and purchase what you can use. So with that, I got the sampler, which is kit 145A, and then I also got the add-on, which is 145B1, which is the strip headers and some more boxes, the day covers, and some skinny washi and a habit tracker for your sidebars. So I think this is going to be awesome. I look forward to doing a plan with me in this with my Erin Condren. And so far what I'm liking with her products, I think I'm going to be a regular purchaser with her. I really like her kits. They're my style. So I do enjoy that. Anyway, so that's it for my little mini hauls that I got that I wanted to show. Oh, one more thing about the Hobonichi. Let me get that aside and bring back out my Hobonichi. The little Hobonichi Weeks, it does come with this cute little Japanese anime little anime comic strip here, and it says, "This is my life," and it says Life Book 2019, and it gives you all the Hobonichi social media sites that you can go to, and their actual website for the Hobonichi website is 1101.com store. That's their actual Hobonichi store that you can order from the Hobonichi company itself. I will tell you that shipping is a little expensive, so if you're going to get from the company themselves, you want to put in a really big order because their shipping can get costly. And on the back, it's the cute little characters, and it says, "Happy Nothing Special Day." So cute there, but just a little couple of extras. And then it gives you a railway map. So if you're planning on going to Tokyo, it gives you a very nice laminated railway map. Good luck reading that sucker. I'd need a damn magnifying glass to see that. I couldn't see that if I wanted to. Gotta love. Not that I read Japanese, of course. But anyway, those are just a couple of little freebies that come with the techos. The only thing also that you don't get when you order from Amazon Japan is you don't get the pins. Usually the Hobonichi company will send pins with their orders. Let me see if I've got one here handy. I don't think I do, that I could show you that they send. I don't usually use their pins. A lot of people love them. I am not a lover of the Hobonichi pens that come with the Hobonichis, but a lot of people do. Anyway, I just wanted to kind of show you that. I forgot about that. With that, though, that's it. If you guys like my content, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button to be notified of when I update. Please leave me comments below. I love to read you guys' comments. They make my day. And with that, I'm off. Bye, guys.